Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? So in today's video, as always, we're going to create something extraordinary. Before we do that, please subscribe. Thank you. So first off, as always, we're going to start with parting and combing the hair. For this part, we're going to part it and towards the front side. As you can see, we're just going to part it this way. When you part, for every segment you part, you comb forward, and for others you comb backward, and you can use any hair of your choice or rubber band or anything and just tie the back side together. I had to oil my scalp basically, so I used the oil to oil my scalp. So I'm going to do this. As you can see, I'm just going to part the whole front side into 6 sections. Okay, I had to use my attachment to just part. I had to part my attachment, comb, pick and part, and I'm going to braid this front side. That's the first section. I'm just going to braid it out. As you can see, braid it in from the you braid it in. Then as we are progressing, we're not going to twist it because I wanted it to have a twist feel as I'm going with it. So yeah, we're just going to twist it here. As you can see, I'm rolling it 360 so it really give me what I want. As you can see, this really came out beautifully. So I'm going to do this for the other side as well. Just look at it, just so we are very clear on what we're doing. You braid the front part, you twist it at the beginning, towards the beginning to the middle, down to the end. Then you now roll it down to the tip of the hair. Yeah, I really love how this is turning out and I'm loving it. It's bringing out my face gradually, the beauty of my face. You twist it all the way to the very end and then you roll it down 360 down to the tip of the hair. So I'm gonna do this for all the other parts as well. Yeah, we're done with that. So I'm not going to go to the other parts of my hair, like the other segmented or section parts. I'm going to comb it and now use a section, very tiny little section part of the attachment, and then tie it. And I'm gonna use my petals gel, of course, to lay down my hair to stay sleek down properly, or slicked in properly rather. Then as soon as I'm done, I'm going to use my razor brush and then comb. This is a wig, you guys, but I had to use it as a ponytail to really give me this that I'm looking for. I love how full it is, how coily it is. And if you can see, there's a pin inside I'm just going to use to cling into my hair. So I'm just going to cling it in, and then there's a rope behind it. I'm now going to roll and tie it together with my hair 360. I love how I look. I love how this look is turning out, and it's making me excited already. So as soon as I'm done, I'm going to remove the sectioned part of the hair and just really trace it. And I'm now going to comb and comb and comb. So I'm going to use my Kaima Edge Control Gel to style my edges, of course, to really make it look smooth, stayed laid in properly. And I'm excited about how this look has already turned out already, you guys. I love it. So as you can see, I'm styling the edges already, and this is the final look and I love it. So after this, I'm going to accessorize my hair. I love how this turned out. Yay! Yo, I look good. Now this is what I'm talking about. this hairstyle took me only 20 minutes to make. I'm not even gonna lie, just 20 minutes, and plus the whole accessory thing, that's like 25-30 minutes max. I love how this hairstyle turned out. So if you're definitely trying this, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this look. Is it something you would rock? Is it something that you're definitely going to share with your friends? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll do well to interact with you as well. I really loved how this look turned out, and I'm definitely rocking this as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and drop your 2 cents as well. Until next time, bye. Take care, guys.